The top 5 global challenges. Respondents from 22 countries ranked the top 5 total rewards priorities for 2014 as aligning total rewards with business strategy by attracting, motivating, and retaining employees, costs of providing benefits to employees, motivating staff when pay increases are flat or non-existent, demonstrating appropriate return on investment for reward expenditures, and creating a rewards program that reflects the culture and goals of the organization. The top priority for all geographic regions is the alignment of total rewards to finding, motivating, and keeping talent. Shortage, motivation, and retention of qualified talent far outpaced all other choices, with the plurality of all respondents, 35%, choosing it as the number one challenge. Talent was easily the most significant challenge for each region, as 38% of respondents in the Americas and 30% in EMEAP selected this as their top priority. Rising costs of total rewards, while the second largest concern overall at 16%, was a lesser concern in EMEAP as they prioritized other concerns. According to the survey, EMEAP continues to find difficulty with providing meaningful pay increases in a cost reduction environment. While this was a limited concern in the Americas at under 10%, EMEAP ranked this as their second most significant concern at 20%.